We talked about scalability and multi-location support, but we're going to get it a little more into it. So growing without friction. If you're expanding into a new office or a separate office or a third or fourth or fifth location, or you're just hiring a whole new bunch of engineers, well, you can provision them with the environment that they need to get to work instantly. You don't need to buy them a laptop and wait for it to be built and shipped. You don't need to build and ship a local server to your office and then get it all plugged up and hopefully it's working. It's all ready to go in our data center, and all we need to do is a few credentials for your users, plug it in, get them going. New team members are productive from day one, and consistent access from anywhere. High speed, uniform CAD access for all locations. And the one bottleneck that will always be persistent with our solution is the fact that we rely on your local internet network. But the good news is that it doesn't have to be that robust of a local internet connection. We'll demo this solution on a 5G hotspot, and the performance is, in most cases, adequate to perfect. So
Yeah, I remember a
the
couple of years ago we used to say five up, five down potentially is all. If you had that, you were going to get a good experience. And now that's the lowest I've seen anywhere. I mean,
10 up, 10
we
down is pretty
rarely see
standard.
that. Yeah, so
Yeah.
now it's become much less of a problem. It's just infrastructure getting better in the whole world in general, but you don't need
So,
much to be able to have good experience though.
but we do, like Philip said, demo this solution and try to get folks to test their local network, and that's all part of the sales cycle. But we want to make sure that you are not concerned about your local network being the bottleneck, and we can prove that out.